Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace Honda CRV wiper blades. First, ensure you have the correct replacement blades for your vehicle. The driver's side and passenger's side are often different lengths. You will also need a soft towel or cloth to protect your windshield during the process. This straightforward maintenance task usually requires no special tools, making it an easy DIY project for anyone. Next, gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into an upright position. Some models may require you to put the wipers into a service mode first. Find the small release tab on the wiper blade's connector. Press this tab firmly and slide the old blade downwards, away from the arm. Once detached, carefully lower the bare wiper arm onto a towel on your windshield to prevent any accidental damage. Now, take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade upwards onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it is securely fastened. After installation, give the blade a gentle tug to ensure it is firmly locked into position. Repeat this process for both the driver's side and passenger's side front blades, and if applicable, the rear wiper blade. Finally, gently lower both wiper arms back onto your windshield. Before driving, activate your wipers with some washer fluid to test their performance. Confirm that the new blades provide a smooth, streak-free wipe across the entire glass surface. For optimal visibility and safety, it is recommended to replace your wiper blades every 6 to 12 months or at the first sign of streaking or chattering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.